The Dell G5 15 gaming doesn't have a lot going for it. It's bigger and heavier than laptops with stronger GPUs, and its Core i7 processor and GTX 1050 Ti GPU don't perform as well as other mainstream gaming laptops. Combine that with its dull 15.6-inch display, distorted speakers, and lack of gaming utilities, and it simply isn't worth $1,049, starting at $949, especially with better gaming laptops out there for a similar or cheaper price. This is one chunky baby, and not in a cute and cuddly way. The G5 15's hood is a black, plastic void with a glossy red Dell logo stamped right in the middle. The gray vents on the hinge and lip of the laptop would look cool if they didn't remind me of how heavy and thick the laptop actually is. The weight is troubling, because it's only 0.6 pounds away from the MSI GT63 Titan 8RG, 6.7 pounds, which packs a full NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1080. The red and black color palette on the interior has the typical look of a cheap gaming laptop, and the cliché red keyboard backlighting was the final insult that made my eyes roll in the back of my head. The bezels are nearly as thick as the laptop as a whole, which is so annoying it's almost impressive. Despite the Dell G5 15's low-key travel, its keys are surprisingly springy and well-spaced, which almost makes up for how cliché and edgy they look. My fingers blasted across the keyboard at 73 words per minute on the 10 fast fingers typing test, taking out my 66 word per minute average like nothing. Despite the Dell G5 15's low-key travel, its keys are surprisingly springy and well-spaced, which almost makes up for how cliché and edgy they look. My fingers blasted across the keyboard at 73 words per minute on the 10 fast fingers typing test, taking out my 66 word per minute average like nothing. The Dell G5 15's speakers were muted when I was gaming, but loud and distorted while I was listening to music. The opening vocals of Jon Bellion's iRobot lacked depth, but the speakers were loud enough to fill a small office. However, the vocals became irritatingly high-pitched during the chorus, and the clap sound effects that I heard throughout the song were distorted.